Hello everyone, I'm forecaster Chris Michaels here in the NCSU Weather Center. We're going to start you off with a little bit of weather history. You take a look at this image, you see downed trees and demolished homes, and this was a result of a tornado outbreak on this day in 1984. So 29 years ago, 22 tornadoes just wreaked havoc all along the eastern coast and the central part of our state. Some even F4 tornadoes, so definitely a lot of damage there. And as we approach tornado season, we're not as active as the Midwest, Kansas, Oklahoma, always getting those nasty storms and tornadoes, but it's definitely something to look out for as we approach tornado season. As far as the remainder of our week, here's your headlines. You have a warm-up on the way and the Easter forecast, so no dangerous activity in the immediate forecast, which is a great thing. Definitely something to be happy about. As far as today, mostly clear skies with winds from the northwest at 10 miles an hour, kind of keeping our highs only in the mid-50s, which again is very cool for this time of year. Now, if you're going back home to the western part of our state today, for your Easter break, there's Asheville at 51, Boone only at 41, Charlotte 56, Salisbury 53, and the Triad 54. Now, if you're going to the eastern part of our state, Lumberton and Wilmington 58, Greenville, Goldsboro, and Rocky Mount at 57. So overall, pretty mild day, but again, pretty cool as compared to what we're used to. Now, if you're staying here in Raleigh to kickstart off your Easter break, here's your night planner. We have tonight at 8 p.m. temperatures at 50 and then midnight 43, cooling down all the way to close to freezing in the morning. So if you have those night plans, make sure that you bring a jacket. Now, it's been really cold here ever since spring technically started on March 20th, but just how cold has it been as compared to the 5 coldest years in recorded history? You see, 1971 there was the coldest one at about 42 degrees. Now, these are the average temperatures from March 20th to March 31st. You take the high and the low for each day, you average them out, and you get your average temperatures. So here are the 5 coldest. You have 1958, 1983, 1956, and 1947. Now, the projected average temperature for 2013 from the 20th to the 31st is there at about 44, so marking the second coldest end to March in recorded history, which goes back to 1944 at RDU International Airport. So, if you've been feeling cold, you're not wrong. We've been remarkably cold here in the end of March. Now, we will be seeing a warm-up here in our 5-day forecast. You see Thursday, mostly sunny skies, 56. Friday, 59. Saturday, 61 with a low of 36. And just in time for Easter when Peter Cottontail is hopping down that bunny trail. Highs in the mid-60s, lows in the low 40s, and then Monday we have a dramatic warm-up to 70 degrees. We could even get a little bit above. Now, of course, we're all concerned about our Easter forecast, so let's take a closer look at what's going to be going on Easter Sunday. We're going to start out with partly cloudy skies, but we have the potential for late PM showers, especially with those strong winds from the southwest giving us a little bit more moisture, but it is a good sign that we have temperatures approaching that normal for this time of year. So on behalf of everyone here at NCSU Weather, we hope you have a great Easter and a very relaxing break, and we'll see you on the other side.